Hi guys, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. Merry Christmas to all of you, and we've already seen the Santa rally. And before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for timely updates. We've seen that Nifty has seen some sort of profit booking at higher levels, but let's face it, some sort of correction is always healthy, and this only gives us a chance to buy at the dips. So we are looking for Nifty to touch the recent lifetime high near about 21,600 and then 21,750 levels, with a crucial support near 21,200 and 21,000 zones. Now, talking about banking index, we've seen some sort of underperformance here, but let's face it, it's moving with the index, and we've seen some action from the PSU names. Now, talking about levels, 47,000 would be a crucial support to watch out for, and there is a slight resistance at 48,250. So this is, for the indices, we've seen that India VIX touched, almost 15 levels during this week, but we are heading into the monthly expiry week, so some sort of volatility cannot be ruled out. And talking about sector-specific action, the next sectors that we're looking out for would be some of the real estate names. CPSE remains, something which is on radar, and it is quite strong, getting stronger. And we can look at some of the banking PSU names as well. So this is it for this week. See you next time. Till then, thank you and enjoy.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.